Let me show you how I keep my freezer staying frozen for long even when there is no adequate power supply, so that you don't have to worry about your food that you are storing. I simply put on the freezer and allow it to cool and almost freezing. So when there is power supply, you have to make sure that the freezer is always on. Then I take some bags of water and stack the freezer with these bags of water. After stacking your freezer, just let it be. Do not put any foodstuff or anything in it until they're frozen like this. When they're frozen like this, you can then add whatever you want to add. At this time, the freezer must be saturated and already frozen and ready to accept anything that comes into it. While they are here, nothing should make you remove even one sachet from those bags. They should remain there for as long as you can. Then now you can start stacking your freezer with whatever you want to freeze in it. From your chicken to your meat to your fish and other kind of food stuff, you can stack these things in the freezer right now. And after this, you just have to close the freezer for about 24 hours without opening it for the other stuffs to get really frozen. Even if you have no power supply for 1 week, you still do not have to worry, because nothing happens to your fish, your meat, or your food stuff until all the bags of water are fully dissolved, which will take about 7 days or more depending on the atmosphere. And if the power supply is not stable, this will actually help to keep the freezer good. And when the power supply comes, it's just continue from where it stopped, and it's very, very quick. So this is after about 1 week of me storing, and you can see how strong the packs of water are. This keeping my fish and my meat really frozen that they cannot even separate. I have practiced this for over 3 years and it has helped me so much. Definitely can't compare this freezer with when just the fish and the meat is the only thing in the freezer. So if this is helpful, please give this video a thumb up, like this video, and subscribe to this channel. Also drop a comment if you have tried this before and if it has been helpful to you. The bags of water can stay as long as you want them to stay, but if you feel the freezer is dirty and you want to clean up, you can discard them and replace with another set bags of water. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.